Mr. President, Aliyu M. Wamako remains my name. Consultant knows. Mr. President, I rise to add my voice to this very important motion on the demise of our dear friend and brother, Dr. Obania Ono. Mr. President, much has been said and can still be said about Governor Obania Ono. What today or indeed next tomorrow, without finishing, mentioning his virtues, his qualities, and what he stood for. Well, he was a true Nigerian. Served the nation in various capacities and with commitment